If you're here, it means you care about how you look, how you feel, and how you present yourself as a man. Welcome to Gentleman Setup. This channel is about simple upgrades, better grooming, cleaner style, and small changes that actually matter. And in 2026, one of the easiest ways men are upgrading themselves is their haircut. Not by trying harder, but by choosing smarter. Your haircut shapes first impressions. Before clothes, before confidence, before words. In 2026, men are moving away from extremes toward haircuts that feel clean, natural, and effortless. Hard fades are slowly disappearing. Men are choosing soft taper cuts, clean around the edges, naturally blended with no harsh lines. This style works best for men between 25 and 45 who want a mature, masculine appearance without constant maintenance. Another strong trend is medium-length natural flow. Hair that moves. Hair that looks relaxed, not forced. This style fits men in their 20s and early 30s, especially with straight or wavy hair. It says, "I take care of myself, but I don't overdo it." For men who want simplicity, the textured crop remains powerful in 2026. Short, clean, intentional. Perfect for men 18 to 30 with busy lifestyles who still want to look put together. In 2026, men are leaving old habits behind. The same haircut for years, styles that don't match their face, ignoring grooming after the cut. The real upgrade isn't doing more, it's doing what fits you. You don't need perfect genetics. You don't need a new face. You need the right haircut for the year you're living in. In 2026, men aren't trying harder, they're choosing smarter. And that changes everything. Before you leave, there's one thing most men still underestimate: hair care. A good haircut means nothing if your hair isn't healthy. Hair care trends men are adopting. Men are moving away from aggressive products and towards simple, consistent routines. That means washing hair less often but properly, using lightweight shampoos, not harsh ones, taking care of the scalp, not just the hair. Healthy hair starts at the roots, and a clean scalp makes every haircut look better, and better habits win every time. Smart haircut choices. Men are making another shift is how men approach haircuts. Instead of chasing trends, men are asking better questions at the barber. Not what's popular, but what fits my face, what fits my lifestyle, what will still look good in 4 weeks. Haircuts that grow out well are replacing styles that only look good on day one. What men should stop doing. In 2026, smart men are leaving these behind. Overusing styling products, ignoring trims and neck cleanup, choosing cuts that require daily effort. If your haircut needs constant fixing, it's not the right haircut. Final takeaway. The best haircut isn't the trendiest one. It's the one that stays clean, natural, and confident even on your busiest days. Upgrade your habits, and your haircut upgrades itself.